Driving lesson, Crossroads practice with Amelia.
Okay, so the lights are going to change, Amelia, yeah? And when the light is changed, show me where you're going to position yourself to deal with the crossroad, yeah? Thank you. Beautiful, thank you, that's perfect, well done. Thank you. And how's this one?
Yeah, better.
Beautiful. Nice. Okay, so should we go deal with Crossroad with the one is with the yellow box junction?
Oh yeah, the one, is it like right by Tesco?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good, well done. So if you look at the sign of this camera, you will see a sign. It says a triangle sign, junction sign. Yeah. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So we will be turning left on that road. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
What signal now?
Yes. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Beautiful. And we're gonna go here.
Oh, this one again.
Yeah, that's the way
at the end of the road.
That's good. There you go. And that's the one. Good. Do you think this person is gonna jump into the road?
Yeah.
Good. We're going to go ahead. Who's behind you? Okay. And we're going ahead. Thank you. Drop down. Yes. Okay. Right at a crossroad coming up. Okay. Towards Tesco. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so that's a crossroad, okay?
Yeah.
So show me where you're gonna wait, how you're gonna position yourself to the right side. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. And then we're looking to see if somebody coming or not. Yeah. Thank you. Go ahead now, thank you. And how's it?
Fine.
That's good, well done.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.